What's going on, guys? It's about 5 o'clock. I'm just now starting the video. I'm munching on some old-fashioned club crackers, baby. Anyways, I figured I'd give you guys a little update. Some of you guys might know this. It doesn't really look like it anymore, but this is the Villains Handbrake, like the little handbrake kit and everything for the S13. I'm freaking short as hell. Not really. I'm like 5'5", 5'6", maybe. So I guess that is pretty short. I had a really hard time getting this stuff to work with my seat, which also I just spent like literally 2 weeks trying to get my seat to sit right. It's been a long ordeal. So the handbrake wouldn't work with the seat. Had to modify a bunch of stuff on my seat brackets. I just now today kind of got them to a point where I think they're gonna work as long as I can build a clutch stop, which that's another thing. My master cylinder wasn't working. Y'all get the idea. Building a car is kind of a long process. What I'm gonna do now, this is the idea. I had a couple different options. I already got like all the stuff to do the like the handbrake with the little bar, like the Injuku way, the little bar that runs across. Then you put the master cylinder back here, and then have your handbrake, and then like I said, like a little rod that connects it to the master cylinder. Had all the parts to do that. I was really excited. I made like a cardboard like template of how I wanted everything, and then I started making a little thing right here, and this was gonna go something like this, and then the handbrake was gonna sit in this, and then it was gonna be nice. But what I realized is now I'm getting this to work with my seat because I cut all this out. So it might be simpler. Some of you guys are probably already figuring out what I'm going with here. I cut this bolt down, so what I'm gonna do, I can't drill a hole right here because there's like too much of the car. I might tack this little tiny stud right there and then use this factory system because it's gonna be way less work, or not factory, but you get what I mean. And then all I gotta do from here is make a little piece that'll fit this shape, come out a little bit, and then put this in the car, figure out where I want it angled, mark a hole, drill a hole, put a bolt through it, done. So all I gotta do here is just 2 pieces, or really 1 piece, and weld this stud on. And then I should have a handbrake set up that will work with my really, really short ass. So we're gonna get to work and see if we can't get this thing to be freaking sick. Safety sometimes. Haven't really been filming too much. I've just been kind of fast-paced making stuff, but this is what we're working with. I'm about to get this bad boy tacked up, welded out, and hopefully it'll work. So I kind of just completely forgot to freaking film like the rest of that handbrake. So also harnesses, you're kind of seeing a sneak peek. Maybe that's another video or something. But yeah, this is how it came out. I threw a nice coat of paint on it down there. It's like really tight. I wish I would have filmed this, dang it, because it's like so sick how it sits on there. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Obviously, you can see how close my seat has to be. So just get an idea of like how it's gotta fit in there. I'm pretty excited with how it turned out. Shout out to this freaking sick shift knob my dad made me. It goes with the purple harnesses. Hell yeah. But for the rest of this video, we're going to try to quickly tackle what's going on with my clutch and then do a little test drive to make sure it's may be fixed or not. I'm having a little bit of a weird issue where the clutch feels like it's not fully disengaging. I thought it was the size of the clutch master not pushing enough fluid. So I went from a 5/8 to a 7/8, so up a full 1/4 inch in bore size on the master cylinder. And it was a little bit of an ordeal because I kind of had to cut all this to make it work right, which some of you guys are probably gonna give me shit in the comments, but I didn't want to do like the reservoir and have to like mount it weird with like self tappers and have a little tube. I just thought in a way it would actually look cleaner just to cut this a little bit. And you know, when you're standing back looking at it, it's not as big of a deal. But we got this new Willwood clutch master in here. You have to kind of like push it in, and it feels like the transmission is still spinning ever so slightly on the shifter. Like when it's in your hand, you can like kind of feel the vibration of it. One thing we could still try though, and that is to just obviously adjust the clutch stop further. So when me and Patrick did this, I'm sitting far back, so I can't even fully get where my seat is right now. I can't fully get the clutch to go all the way to the floor, but that's kind of okay because with a 7/8 master, you don't really need all that stroke. So what we did is we just put the car up in the air and put it in gear with the clutch not pressed in, and then Patrick tries to push on it, and then I push the clutch further and further, you know, until we get to that disengagement point. We're actually sitting about 3/8 past that. I've heard on other, like at the Tilton YouTube video, you're supposed to go like a 1/4 inch past where it's disengaging. I'm hoping that that's some BS and that you need to go like way further past it, like a 1/2 inch or, you know, more of pedal travel. Because if that's the case, then what I'm about to do right now is adjust this clutch stop to basically as far as I can push the clutch. If it fixes it, then I know that's just a clutch issue, and if I might need to slightly move my seat up, then so be it. I'm gonna get in here, try to fix this, and go take it for a drive and see how it is. That didn't really solve the problem. It looks cool though. That makes me happy. These harnesses look super sick. I was just taking a picture, so I got them all like staged up in here. Got a freaking tire poke in the front. It kind of looks hot though, don't you think? Oh yeah. Drift car status. Hell yeah, dude. It's gonna be a new slogan on this channel. I say that way too much. So I think on that note, we're probably gonna end the video right here. Hopefully in the next video, we'll have this clutch issue figured out. Man, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I hope you're stoked. I signed up for an event. It's actually like paid for, on the books. I'm there, it's happening, October 25th. Really, really excited. I gotta get a couple of the things, you know, sorted out before the event. But man, I'm freaking stoked to go throw this thing sideways. It's gonna be freaking sick. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you want, drop a like down below, and I'll see you guys. Shoot, you can't see me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.